We're delighted that our youngest learners in early years have the opportunity to learn German. And a real strength, I think, is that it's an integrated part of the child's week. And we have a wonderful early years team, and we have a lot of opportunity to collaborate. And I think the whole team share our commitment and our enthusiasm for the language and really strive to make sure that the German language is integrated into the day-to-day experiences of the child in early years. Our links to the local community really help the children integrate and help the children really connect with the local Swiss culture and their local Swiss community. We take part in a lot of the local events, such as Fastnacht. We visit the Lichterweg, which is the Path of Lights and Bar at Advent. One of our goals for the children is that they have joy in their language learning and that they also have strong comprehension skills. And engagements like Mittagstisch can really help with that because it's in quite a closed context, serving food, enjoying food, sharing cutlery. And the children actually develop those skills to read all the signs, see all the cues in terms of context, gesture. And that's really transferable. When they go to learn another language, they will actually have those skills already that can really help them in their oral comprehension in other languages.